Leggett. Catch with Sorensen. Cooper's got it right now in between the circles. Takes it over the left side of the floor. Now back to the wing. Three-pointer by Steinbeck. No good. Good defense there by Gretna. The Bears probably settled for an outside shot too quickly, and now Wilkins into the front court. Right side to Knutson. Gets around Meyer. Now kicks it out of the corner. Three-pointer from Lucas Hack. No good. Rebound controlled by the Bears. That's Hayden Daggett that came down with it. Daggett will hand off to Sorensen. Cooper walks it across half court. Over here to the near side to Leggett. Right back to Sorensen. And Coach Whitworth's going to call a timeout with 1:36 left in the half. His team up by 5. Will step away for 60 seconds. We'll be back on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tekamah with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting.
Welcome back here to BSDN Live. Bears with the basketball and a 5-point lead. Minute 36 left in the half. Blair gets it in at Steinbeck. Nice look to the backside. Shots up and good by Hayden Daggett. Good possession there for Blair as Gretna came out and tried to apply some pressure, and Steinbeck found Daggett on the backside for the layup. 27-20. Now your score. Bears back out by 7. Brantley Hack, who's won a little bit here later on in the second quarter, had it at the top of the key. Now driving inside with it is Wilkins, and a foul's going to be called as he spun into the middle of that Blair defense. Going to be a shooting foul, and it's going to be charged to Hayden Daggett. It's his first personal. For Blair, it's their third. And Trevin Wilkins at the line for Gretna, shooting 2. First one is good. It's his first made free throw of the ball game. He's got 3 points. 6-point lead for the Bears. Now it's 5 as Wilkins gets them both. Sorensen looking for some help in the backcourt. Little three-quarter court pressure here from Gretna. Now the pass is going to be tipped out of bounds off of the hands of Trevin Wilkins. Ball will belong to the Bears here in their front court over on the far sideline. Actually, they'll throw it into the backcourt. Sorensen goes back to get it. Under a minute now to play in the half. Bears by 5, 27-22. Steinbeck's going to shoot a 3 from the corner. That's up, no good. Rebound is tipped and controlled by Gretna. Carson Dickin came down with the rebound. Quickly up ahead, left side, Knutson. Right side to Brantley Hack now. Hack against Steinbeck into the lane. Good defense that time by Callan. Turned him away. Now Hack will try it again. Drives in. Shot is up and good. Brantley Hack with another bucket. He's had a very good second quarter. 10 points in the quarter. 27-24. Sorensen's going to be fouled in the backcourt. It's going to be called on Carson Dickin, his first. Team's third. They had some fouls to give. Under 20 now to play. Again, the Bears throwing it in against pressure. It's Sorensen. Over here to the near side to Leggett. Leggett against Dickin. Back to Sorensen. Down to 10. Not quite here in the first half. Foul's going to be called. That one's going to be on Trevin Wilkins. It's his second. Team's fourth. And Coach Bill Hurd is going to try to get, I think, Trevin Wilkins out of the game to protect him from that third foul here in the first half. Sorensen will throw it in. He gets it in to Leggett. 8 to play in the half. Back to Sorensen. Near side to Steinbeck. Bo Meyer. Meyer had the ball poked out of his hand as they went up for the shot, and that's the way the first half will end. Bears had a good run there in the middle of that first half, enough to build a double-digit lead, but they lead it by only 3. As we head to our halftime break, it's 27-24. We'll step away for a few minutes. We'll come back when it's time to start the second half. You're listening to Blair Basketball on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities and thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs.
Quarter. 7 for Emmett Dickus, 4 for Trevin Wilkins, and 2 for Ethan Zweibel. 10 in the first quarter, 14 in the second quarter. That gives them 24. Gretna attempted 5 free throws. They went 4 out of 5. The Bears went to the line twice. They went 3 for 4 from the free throw line. And it will be Gretna basketball third quarter. No real foul trouble for either side. Actually, Blair has nobody with more than 1. Ethan Zweibel and Trevin Wilkins for the Dragons each have 2. So I imagine we will see the starting 5 back out there on the floor for both ball clubs. It's Meyer, Sorensen, Bosonic, Steinbeck, and Leggett on the floor for the Bears. And it'll be Michael Knudsen throwing it in for Gretna. We're underway here in this third quarter. Bears up by 3, 27-24. Three-pointer right out of the gates is banked in. How about that for Brantley Hack? Top of the key, knocks down the 3. He now has 14 points. We're tied 27-27. Dragons going to apply a little bit more pressure here on the Bears and almost force a turnover. Bosonic able to collect it in the backcourt. Easton cross court to Leggett. Leggett now to Sorensen back in the corner. Leggett will try the 3. That's good. So how about that? Opening 3 for Gretna, answered by a 3 for Blair. Now Leggett with 14 points. So he and Hack each leading the way for their respective ball clubs. Hack in the middle of the free throw lane. Out Knudsen will try the 3. That's short. Meyer with the rebound. Bo's going to bring it up himself. On the right side, Meyer driving in, puts it up, no good. Rebound is tipped. Meyer got it back. Bosonic's going to try the 3 off the rim that time, no good. Rebound for Gretna. Hack comes out of there with it. Long pass out up ahead to Knudsen. Back to Hack. Guarded by Sorensen. Lost his footing. Ball is loose. Picked up there by the Bears. Steinbeck had it. Got tied up in the backcourt with one of the Gretna players. Then his pass was turned over. Now a block shot. I think it was Steinbeck that got it. 1-on-2 the other way. Takes it all the way to the block. Wild shot. Puts it up and in. What a shot by Callan Steinbeck. His first bucket of the ball game. He's got 4 points. That will extend the Blair lead out to 5, 32-27. Three-pointer on the other end is no good that time. Missed by Hack. Rebound for the Bears. Up ahead with it is Steinbeck. Right side wing. Bounce pass in the corner to Bosonic. Now to Meyer all the way to the block. Shot was no good. Wouldn't have counted. They'll say he was fouled on the floor. It's on Knudsen. It's his second. First foul on Gretna in the second half. Sorensen will throw it in. Almost 2 minutes gone here in this third quarter. 6:06 left to play in the quarter. They get it into Meyer at the elbow to Leggett. Now Bosonic on the left wing. Back to Leggett. Right out in between the circles on the middle of the floor. Left side, three-pointer up, back rim, no. Zweibel with the rebound to Knudsen. Now up ahead to Hack on the left side wing. Hack picked up there by Sorensen. Back to Knudsen. Bounce pass. This is Wilkins with it. To Zweibel, guarded by Steinbeck on the left side. Zweibel got rid of it. Now it's Wilkins again. He's guarded by Bosonic at the free throw line. Back to Zweibel. Left side Knudsen. Meyer will let him stand a couple of steps outside of that three-point line. Now back to Wilkins against Bosonic. He'll get it to Hack. Easton switches on to him. Hack with a crossover dribble. Pull-up jumper. Partially blocked, I think, there by Bosonic. Shot clock went off. It went out of bounds. It would have been out off of Blair, I think, but the shot clock negated that. It didn't matter. Sub into the game for Gretna. Lucas Hack will check in. He'll replace Ethan Zweibel. Same 5 on the floor for the Bears. 5:19 left in the quarter. Ball comes in to Dickus. Pardon me, that's Leggett with it. Look at the right roster here. Leggett got it across the timeline. Now it's Sorensen. To Bosonic, back to Sorensen. Cooper will hand off to Leggett. Back to Sorensen, right in front of the student section over there on the far side. To Leggett, to Bosonic, 10 to shoot. Back out to Sorensen. Now Easton's got it on the left wing. Steinbeck will try the 3. That's good. Great patience by the Bears. Nice job there by Steinbeck, the freshman. Collected himself, knocked down the triple. 8-point lead now for the Bears, 35-27. Blair working hard here on defense, trying to make Gretna run through their offense. Nothing easy. Knudsen drives in, kicks it back out to Hack. Into the corner, that's Lucas Hack. He'll drive in, floater in and out, no good. Rebound is collected by Sorensen. Cooper Sorensen, long pass up ahead to Bosanic. Right side to Meyer. Bo lost it, got it back. Bosanic now around the perimeter. Leggett, deep three-pointer, off the back rim, no. Bosanic with the rebound, mid-range two, that's good. Easton Bosanic hits another mid-range jumper. Blair's lead is 10. It's a 10-0 run here, 37-27 for the Bears. Past the midway point of this third quarter. Dragons back to work. It's Dickus with it over on the left wing. Driving down inside is Wilkins. Wilkins kicks it here to the near side corner. Now back out to Hack. He'll drive in. Lucas Hack will try the three-pointer. That's good. His first made three of the game, and an immediate timeout taken by Coach Bill Hurd. Blair leads it 37-30. We'll step away for 60 seconds. We'll be back on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tekamah with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.com. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communications. Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses.
Welcome back here again to BSDN Live. 3:35 left to play in the third quarter. Blair leading Gretna 37-30. Easton Bosanic will throw it in. No subs in at that timeout for the Bears. They get it in. It's Cooper Sorensen. In the backcourt, working one-on-one against Brantley Hack. Sorensen gets it across the timeline. Hack working on him there at midcourt. And they're going to call an over and back violation. Ball looked like it was tipped by Hack, but they'll say Sorensen was the one that touched it last in the front court. So turnover there for the Bears. Jake Hurd will check into the game. He'll replace Carson Dickin, who came in just for that defense position. And now Gretna again trying to chip away at that Blair 7-point lead. Knudsen has it out up high. Left side to Wilkins. Wilkins to Lucas Hack. Three-pointer off the rim, no good. And Steinbeck up high for the rebound for the Bears. Callan into the front court. Hands off to Brevin Leggett. Leggett inside of the tip circle. Guarded there by Hurd. Leggett picks up his dribble, and his pass is taken away. Good defense there by Brantley Hack. Hack drives all the way down inside, and a blocking foul is going to be called on Cooper Sorensen. Cooper will pick up his second personal. It's the first on the Bears in the second half. 2:51 left in the third. And an inbound coming here for Gretna. On the baseline, they'll throw it in. Almost taken away there by Bosanic. Wilkins collected it. Now they move it around the perimeter. Lucas Hack will drive down inside. Kicks it to Wilkins. His three-pointer is off the mark. No good. Rebound is tipped out of bounds. And they'll say last touched by Gretna off the hands of Jake Hurd. It'll be Blair basketball. Dragons still applying court pressure, however. Now they'll get it across to Bosanic with a good catch there at midcourt. Easton in the front court. Now back to Sorensen. Cooper to his right. Now hands off into the hands of Leggett. Brevin with a bounce pass. Sorensen with it now right in front of Coach Whitwer. Now Bosanic with it at the top of the key. Easton picks up his dribble, hands off to Meyer. Bo Meyer, good look underneath. Shot up is good. Cooper Sorensen, a great backdoor cut by Sorensen, and a really good pass by Bo Meyer. 2:05 left in the third. The Blair lead is back out to 9, 39-30. Lucas Hack has it over on the left wing to Knudsen. Now around the perimeter, it's Brantley Hack with it, guarded by Cooper Sorensen out up high. Now in the corner. Lucas Hack for three. That's good. Second three-pointer in a row for Lucas Hack. Both of them from that same corner. 6-point lead for the Bears. Minute 40 left to play in the quarter. Pass from Myers, tipped and stolen away by Knutson. Was trying to get it to Bosonic on a backdoor cut. Up ahead with it is Wilkins, driving inside. Shot partially blocked. Rebound is knocked out of bounds. Last touched by the Bears. Good defense there by Sorensen. Emmett Dickus checks back into the game for the Dragons. Still the same five on the floor there for the Bears. They have not subbed yet here in this third quarter, and now they will. They'll send Hayden Daggett into the ball game. He'll replace Bo Meyer. So the Bears go a little bit smaller. Dragons will get it in on the baseline. Wilkins to Lucas Hack. Now Dickus with it on the right wing. In the corner to Brantley Hack. Guarded by Steinbeck. He'll drive to the block. Now kicks it back out. That's Wilkins with it. To Knutson. Back to Hack for three. In and out, no good. Nobody blocked him out. He got his own rebound. He put it up and in. Brantley Hack now has 16 in the ball game. And the lead for Blair is 4. 39-35 with a minute left to play in the third, and now a near steal over on the far sideline. Steinbeck got it after Sorensen saved it. And Cooper had the pass intended for him knocked out of bounds. Slominski will check in, and so will Andrew Smutney. Cooper Sorensen and Callan Steinbeck will take a seat. 20 on the shot clock, 50 seconds left on the game clock here in the third. Inbounds pass comes into Smutney. In the backcourt, they're going to call him for a carry. It's the second time we've seen a Blair ball handler be called for a carry right out there at midcourt. Turnover gives it back to Gretna. 46.7 seconds now left to play here in this third quarter. Wilkins to Knutson, hands off to Hack. He'll square up a three-pointer, knocks it down. Brantley Hack hits the triple. It's a 1-point lead for Blair, 39-38. Hack has 8 in the quarter, 19 in the ball game. Inside with it is Slominski, and he lost it out of bounds, but it's taken away, rather knocked out of bounds, by Gretna. So it will be Blair basketball. Slominski will throw it in, finds Bosonic for three, back rim no. Leggett has the rebound, and Blair can hold for the final shot if they want. Leggett will drive instead, shot's no good, but he's fouled, he'll go to the free throw line. Fouls on Michael Knutson, his third. It's the second team foul in the quarter for Gretna. And Brevin Leggett is at the line shooting 2 for the Bears with 19.7 seconds left. First one is good. 15 in the ball game now for Leggett. It's his first point since he opened the second half with a three-pointer. Second free throw is in and out, no good. Rebound is controlled by the Dragons. They can tie it with a 2, take the lead with a 3. 14 seconds left in the third. Knutson with an out up high. You know they're going to try to go to Hack. They hand it off to him. He spins inside, draws a triple team. Finds Lucas Hack out on the wing. Three-pointer in and out, no good. 2 seconds left. The heave is off the backboard by Brevin Leggett, and we will head to the fourth quarter. It's 40-38. Blair leads it by 2. We're back in 60 seconds on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tekamah with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson & Associates, Inc., RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls Out Motors, Tax and Business Consultants, Turnkey Nerds, SEI Security Equipment, Inc., and Great Plains Communication.
Welcome back here again to Blair High School on BSDN Live. Bears ball to start the fourth quarter. They'll have Steinbeck, Sorensen, Smutny, Meyer, and Leggett on the floor. They lead Gretna by 2, 40-38. So we start the quarter. And the turnover right out of the gate. Brantley Hack steals that pass from Bo Meyer and brings it into the front court. Bears a little bit careless with the basketball in that third quarter. Carried over it fourth here. Three-pointer on the way from Knudsen for the lead. Front rim, no. Tried to save it, was unable to do so. It'll be Blair basketball. Gretna really ratcheted up the intensity about midway through that third quarter and cut away at a substantial Blair lead. And now the Bears are going to have to fight this one out for the next 7.5 minutes. Nice look inside there to Meyer. Bo puts it up and in. Count the basket and a foul. If it's on Knudsen, it'll be his fourth. Good pass there by Smutny. So Knudsen does pick up his fourth. He's got 3 of them here in the second half. Count the bucket for Bo Meyer. Chance to complete the three-point play, and he does. So Meyer now with 8 points in the ball game. Emmett Dickus checks back in for Gretna, and Knudsen will have to take a seat with those 4 fouls. Let's see if the Bears are able to exploit that at all. Of course, defensively, they're really going to need to focus on Brantley Hack. He's got 19 in the ball game. Bears making it difficult for him as he runs through greens. Now he's got it at the top of the key. Guarded there by Smutny. Now near side, that's Lucas Hack with it. Hack to Wilkins. Now Hurd. Hurd at the top. Over to the left side, that's Dickus. Dickus inside, pass is tipped and stolen away. Steinbeck came out of there with it. Bounce pass to Meyer inside, up and in. Meyer's got 5 quick ones here in the fourth. Great pass by Callan Steinbeck, and Blair's got a little bit of breathing room as they lead it now by 7. And a blocking foul is going to be called on Cooper Sorensen. Tried to cut off Trevin Wilkins, who was driving to the basket. Cooper's third, Blair's first in the fourth quarter. Zweibel checks back in for Gretna. Minute 15 gone in this fourth quarter. Dragons will throw it in on the baseline. They get it in to Hack. Now it's Wilkins with it. Lucas Hack now near midcourt. Picks up his dribble. He'll need some help. Finds Brantley Hack. Guarded by Smutny. Smutny started this fourth quarter. Looks like his assignment is to go out there and try and shut down Brantley Hack. We have a blocking foul called on the Bears. That's going to be on Cooper Sorensen. That is fourth. So Cooper will have to check out of the game, and I imagine we'll see Brevin Leggett. No, pardon me, Brevin Leggett's already out there. Sorry about that. It's Aiden Slominski that comes into the game. Brevin Leggett will probably take over the majority of the ball handling duties. Shot blocked by Bo Meyer coming from the backside. The shot there by Wilkins. The Bears then turn it over, though. Again, a little bit careless as they try to get it across midcourt. Gretna's got it back. Zweibel to Hack. Hack into the middle of that free throw lane. Picks up his dribble. Tried to draw the contact. Nice look underneath and a good backdoor cut by Emmett Dickus. His first 2 of the second half. Makes it a 5-point lead for Blair. 45-40. Leggett across the timeline working against Lucas Hack. Leggett to his left. Underneath to Meyer. Shot is no good. Well defended there by Gretna. Good pass. Quickly up ahead for the Dragons. Left-hand shot, good, and a foul. Count the bucket for Emmett Dickus. The foul is going to be charged to Slominski. It'll be his first. The team's third. Dickus at the line to try to complete a 3-point. 5:42 left to play in the fourth quarter. It's 45-42. Timeout's going to be called. It's a 30-second timeout. We'll step away quickly, and we'll be back on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate.
Welcome back to BSDN Live from Blair High School. Emmett Dickus at the line, shooting one. He's got 11 points in the ball game. Trying to make this a 2-point game. Free throw is up and good. 45-43 now your score. Blair leads it by 2. Full court pressure from Gretna. The Bears get it into Andrew Smutney. Smutney across the timeline. It's Slominski with it on the wing. Back to Smutney. He'll shoot the 3. That's off the rim, no good. And the rebound is pulled down and controlled by Trevin Wilkins. Now a foul is going to be called in the backcourt. Going to be a charging foul. Offensive foul is going to be called on Trevin Wilkins. His third, team second. It'll be Blair basketball. So the Bears, with 5.5 minutes left, get it into Smutney. Left side to Steinbeck. Up high, Slominski's going to fire the three-pointer. That's off the rim, no good. Rebound down to Wilkins. Quickly into the front court, finds Zweibel, puts it up and in. First 2 of the ball game, or the second half, excuse me, for Zweibel. He's got 4. Tie game, 45-45. 5 minutes left. Leggett driving to his right, picks up the ball, kicks it out to Smutney. Now around the perimeter, Smutney again fires a 3 at the top of the key and hits. Andrew Smutney drops down his second three-pointer of the game. Gives the Bears a little bit of breathing room again. They lead it by 3, 4:40 left. Dickus to the hands of Hack. Now left side is Wilkins. Lucas Hack with it now. After the pin down screen, back to Dickus, driving in, back up high, Wilkins for 3. Back rim, no. Rebound controlled by the Bears. Andrew Smutney came away with it. We approach the midway point here of this fourth quarter. Blair leads at 48-45. Slominski's going to shoot a 3 from the right wing. That's off the mark, no good. Up ahead the other way with it is Wilkins. He'll drive inside. Shots up and good. Trevin Wilkins now with 6 in the ball game. And a timeout is going to be called by Chris Whitwer. 4:01 left to play in this fourth quarter. It's a 30-second timeout. Bears up 48-47. We're back in 30 seconds on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tacoma with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows why.
Welcome back here once again to BSDN Live. 4:01 left to play in this fourth quarter. Blair 48, Gretna 47. Bears basketball. Easton Bosonic checked into the game at that timeout. He replaced Slominski. Bosonic caught the inbounds pass. Now it's Leggett with it. Working there against Lucas Hack with his hands all over him. Now it's Steinbeck to Meyer. Meyer finds Bosonic on the right wing. Good look inside to Leggett. It was kicked out of bounds. Kicked by Trevin Wilkins. It'll stay with the Bears. 20 on the shot clock. 3:40 on the game clock. Bosonic will throw it in from the baseline. Easton will get it in. Now right back to Bosonic. Out up high to Smutny, almost lost it. Back right side wing, Bosonic spinning into the right side baseline. Now a three-pointer by Smutny, no good. Rebound is tipped out of bounds. Last touch by Gretna. Off the hands of Knudsen, who, by the way, is back out there with 4 fouls. See if the Bears realize that and try to attack him. They could try to get it into Meyer. The inbounds pass is tipped, however, and taken away by Brantley Hack. He'll attack, kicks it out of the corner. Lucas Hack for 3. That's off the rim, no good. Rebound bounces around off the head of a Blair player. Easton Bosonic with a good save over here in the near side corner. Up ahead to Smutny. Now Bosonic with it on the left wing. Bears slow it down. They lead it by 1, 48-47. Inside to Bo Meyer. Meyer got hit right in the chest. Missed the shot. No foul called, and Gretna with the rebound. It's Brantley Hack with it out near the circles. 3 minutes left. Left side to Lucas Hack. Now Knudsen. Knudsen to Dickus. Guarded by Smutny. Knudsen up near midcourt. It's Trevin Wilkins with it. Now 10 to shoot as Wilkins will go to work on Bosonic. Wilkins to his left in the corner to Knudsen. He's cut off there. Good defense by Bo Meyer. Meyer gets the steal. And Coach Whitwer wants Blair to slow things down as they bring it across midcourt. Left side with it is Leggett. Inside to Meyer. Bo spins underneath. The foul is going to be called, and that will be the 5th, I believe, on Michael Knudsen.
Fouls on number 35, Michael Knudsen. That is his
Knudsen doing his best to try and avoid the officials hiding over there on the baseline, but now they get him to come out of the ball game, so he picks up his 5th. It's the team's 3rd. Knudsen is done. No points in the game for Michael Knudsen. Zweibel back in for Gretna. Inbounds pass is thrown away. Cooper Sorensen back into the game for the Bears. Was the inbounder. His inbounds pass was tipped and taken away. Layup on the other end by Lucas Hack was no good, but a foul is going to be called. It was Andrew Smutny with the foul. His first, team's 4th. Back at the free throw line. He'll shoot 2 with a chance to give his team the lead. 2:16 left. First one is good, nothing but net. Lucas Hack was scoreless in the first half. He's got a pair of 3-pointers and now that free throw here in the second half. We're tied at 48, 2:16 left. Hack, the sophomore, missed that one, and the rebound is controlled by the Bears. Steinbeck goes up high for it and kicks it out to Sorensen. Cooper at midcourt working against Brantley Hack. Sorensen to his right, all the way down inside. A foul is going to be called. They're going to get Brantley Hack with the foul. That's only his first, so no issue there. It's the team's 4th, and not a shooting foul, so it'll be an inbound for the Bears on the baseline with 2:03 left, tied at 48. Sorensen will get it in. It's Smutny with it. He'll drive all the way down inside. Shot was no good. He's had it blocked initially, and now a foul called in the backcourt. Going to be whistled on Bo Meyer. It's his second. It's the team's 5th. So that will put Gretna at the free throw line to shoot 2, and Trevin Wilkins will be at the line for the Dragons. He's 2 for 2 from the free throw line in the game. He's got 6 points. Minute 56 left. First one is no good. Wilkins, a 6'3" junior. One more chance to give his team the lead. Bears have 3 timeouts left. Gretna's got 2. The second free throw is also no good. He missed them both. So we're still tied, 48-48. Sorensen with it in the backcourt against Hack. Bring it across the timeline. Now to the free throw line, into the corner. 3-pointer on the way for Smutny is good. Andrew Smutny with his 3rd 3-pointer of the ball game. 3-point lead for the Bears, 95 seconds left. Wilkins with it on the right wing. Now it's Brantley Hack. He'll drive down inside, lost the basketball, taken away by the Bears. Brevin Leggett's got it. Up ahead to Smutny. Smutny to the top of the key. Now down low to Sorensen. Cooper's trapped down there, kicks it out to Meyer. He finds Steinbeck into the middle of the floor, and a reaching foul is going to be called on the Dragons. That's going to be on Brantley Hack.
Fouls on number 11, Brantley
He picks
Hack,
up his second. That's the team's fifth, so now the Bears will head to the free throw line.
line to shoot 2 shots.
And a chance to extend their three-point lead. Callan Steinbeck at the line. First one is up and good. Steinbeck now with 6 points in the second half, 8 in the game. Makes it 52-48. Second free throw is also good. So Steinbeck gets them both. Extends the Blair lead to 5 with 1:10 left. Brantley Hack working on the left side wing. Picked up there by Meyer. Now kick it out. Wilkins for 3. Back rim, no good. Rebound by Zweibel. Gets it back out to Hack. He'll drive inside. Taken away. Good hands by Steinbeck. 3-on-2 the other way. Steinbeck to Smutny. Puts it up and in. Great pass from Steinbeck and a good finish by Smutny. 42 seconds left. Zweibel for 3 from the corner. No good. Steinbeck with the rebound and a foul on Goretna. Emmett Dickus with 37.3 seconds left. The Blair lead is 7. And Steinbeck back to the line for 2 more very big free throws. He made 2 a few seconds ago, and now 2 more. First one here is no good. So it's still a 7-point game, 55-48. Second one is also no good. Misses them both. 35 seconds left. Gretna with the rebound. They'll push Wilkins into the front court on the left side wing. Drives down inside. Count the basket and a foul. It's going to be called on Cooper Sorensen. That is his 5th. The basket counts for Wilkins. He'll get a free throw to go with it. Game's not over yet. It's a 5-point lead for the Bears. 29.5 seconds left as Eason Bosonic checks in for Sorensen. Both coaches with some strategic moves as the clock is stopped. Offense and defense and all that. Throw coming eventually for Wilkins to try and make it a 4-point game. The free throw is good. So Wilkins, who had just stepped to the line moments ago and missed both, he gets that one. He's replaced by Carson Dickin. 29.5 seconds left in a 4-point game. The Bears get it into Bosonic, and Bosonic is fouled from behind by Trevin Wilkins, his 4th. Team's 6th, so Blair will head back to the line to shoot free throws. This will be Eason Bosonic, and Eason will shoot 2 with 27.2 seconds left, and the Bears with a 4-point lead. First free throw for Bosonic is off the front rim, no good. Dickens and Lucas Hack check back in for Gretna. See if Bosonic can make this a 5-point game if he makes the second free throw here. And he does, so Easton gets 1 out of 2. Gretna again with the attack. It's Wilkins driving down inside. Foul is going to be called on Bosonic as Wilkins just drove right into his chest. Easton picks up his first, team's 7th. Trevin Wilkins back to the line for the Dragons, shooting 2 more. 20.9 seconds left. First free throw is good. 10 points in the game now for Wilkins. Jake Hurd checks back in. Offensive defensive substitution. Wilkins with another free throw attempt coming here. That one's good as well. He'll make them both. He's going to come out. He'll be replaced by Carson Dickin. Again, the Bears will face pressure. 3-point lead, 56-53. Steinbeck looks to throw it in. He gets it into Smutny. Smutny back to Steinbeck, and Steinbeck will be hugged by Carson Dickin. He picks up the foul.
Fouls on number 10, Carson Dickin,
His
his 2nd.
second, team 7th, and Steinbeck at the line. 2 free throws coming here. The Bears trying to finish this game off at the free throw line. First one for Steinbeck is good.
Steinbeck makes the first, into the game for the Dragons. Number 5.
now 5 out of 7 from the line in the game. Extends the lead back to 4, 57-3, 17.9 seconds left. And now it's 5 as it gets them both, 58-53. Nice job there by Callan. Quickly into the front court is Wilkins to the top of the key. He'll fire the three-pointer, front rim, no good. Dickus with the rebound, follow shot, no. Bo Meyer secures the rebound, and a jump ball is going to be called with 5.6 seconds left. It's Gretna basketball. 5-point lead for the Bears, 58-53, 5.6 seconds left. It's a full timeout for Gretna. We're back in 30 seconds on BSDN Live.
Thank you for being a part of BSDN Live coverage of the Blair Bears. We're proud to partner with many local businesses that are supporting all of the Blair School activities. Join us in thanking them as well. Awful Nice Guys Heating and Air Conditioning, locally serving Washington County for 25 years and counting. Find out more about Mike Beebe and the team at awfulniceguys.com. Memorial Community Hospital and Health System, serving Blair, Fort Calhoun, and Tekamah with continued expansion of services from birth and beyond. Learn more at mchhs.org. Woodhouse Auto Family, serving our community and the world with all of your driving needs. Search woodhouse.com. For real estate, nobody knows Washington County like WC Real Estate. Blair Eye Associates, Dr. Ryan Palmer. Jackson and Associates, Inc. RVR Bank for your local banking and wealth management needs. Balls out.
BSDN Live, 5.6 seconds left in this one. 58-53 your score. Gretna with the basketball. Bears lead it by 5. Got a horn here. Now they'll hand the ball back to the Dragons. Dickus will throw it in underneath his own basket. Gets it up high to Brantley Hack. Three-pointer off the rim, no good. Steinbeck with the rebound. Gretna won't foul, and the Bears are going to win it. 58-53 is going to be your final score. That one came all the way down to the wire as the Bears pulled out the victory. They're now 5-5 on the season. Gretna falls to 5-7. We'll step away just for about 60 seconds. We'll add up the individual scoring. We'll be back to recap this ball game on BSDN Live.